Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. In today's episode, I would like to talk about the celebration of Saint George in Bulgaria. This is actually a national holiday and it's celebrated on the 6th of May every year. It's considered to be the day of the bravery, the day of the Bulgarian army, the shepherds, and also the day of all those who carry the name George or Gergana. Saint George's Day is the Bulgarian Armed Forces Day made official by Prince Alexander Battenberg in 1880. During the communist regime, the holiday was cancelled, but then in 1993 it was reinstated. Yesterday I went into the city center to watch the military parade. It was the first military parade in many years, and it was really fun. The airplanes flew above the heads of the people who gathered at the square. It was really nice, and after this I went to the Rotunda, St. George in Sofia, and there was a mass. Actually the priests came out and they went around the church. Usually Bulgarians go to church. After this they gather with friends. They have a festive meal including lamb meat, salads, and of course rakia. I'm going to share with you the highlights from the parade, then I'm going to share the footage from the Rotunda St. George, and I will end this vlog with some footage from the fest at the South Park. The event was attended by the President Rumen Radev, the Chairman of the National Assembly, the Defense Minister, the Chief of Defense, and some foreign diplomats. The parade was opened by a helicopter which flew over the square Knyaz Alexander I, carrying the national flag. More than 800 military members marched on the square. They represented the National Guard's unit, the Vasil-Levski National Military University, military units based in Stara Zagora, Pleven, the Land Forces, the Air Force, the Navy, and the Joint Special Operations Command. The highlight of the event for me was the aircraft show, including Air Force and Navy aircrafts such as Mi-17, Mi-24, Panther helicopters, L-410, MiG-29, and other airplanes. The parade also featured 62 wheeled and tracked units of military equipment of the land forces, the anti-aircraft missile formations of the Air Force, the Joint Special Operations Command, and the Military Police Service. The event ended with 174 military musicians marching through the square. After most of the people left, those who stayed in the area of the presidency could witness the ceremonial change of guards. Our next stop is going to be the Rotunda St. George, situated at the courtyard of the presidency. The Rotunda was built in the 4th century during the time Sofia, formerly known as Serdica, was a residence of the Emperor Constantine the Great. Saint George is regarded with great respect by the Eastern Orthodox Church. He was born in Cappadocia, now Turkey, in the late 3rd century and was executed in Palestine in 303 AD. He was a Roman soldier, and according to the legend, he managed to kill a dragon. This has turned him into a symbol of bravery, and he was invoked to be the protector of all soldiers. Saint George was killed because he refused to make a sacrifice in honor of the pagan gods. There was a fest organized at the South Park. The celebrations continued for 3 consecutive days with lots of food, drinks, and music. Saint George is also a patron of the shepherds. That's why the traditional dishes include lamb meat. The park was very lively, and I decided to go home and bring my father. He had a stroke last month, but thanks to God he is recovering, and I wanted to share this festive day with him. Do you want to eat fish? Yes. We didn't find fish, but I ordered a salad with burrata and a pint of beer for me, and my dad had a portion of calamari. That was our small treat. Bye for now, and cheers to Saint George.